Just outside of Austin is McKinney Roughs, a nature park located in Cedar Creek and managed by the LCRA. If you're looking for a good place to hike without the crowds of McKinney Falls State Park, this is a great alternative. Admission is $5 for individuals 13 and older, while 12 and under are free. Admission for horse and riders is $12. The visitor center is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and the trailheads are open from sunrise to sunset. After parking, the first building you will see is the visitor center, where you can pay your admission fees. Inside, you can find a small exhibit with various reptiles, including an alligator, as well as albino catfish. Between the Visitor Center and the Mark Rose Science Center is a deck where you can take in the scenic view. Across from the Visitor Center is the Mark Rose Science Center, a place where classes on various subjects including conservation, land stewardship, and renewable energy are offered. Wildflower Hall is after the Mark Rose Science Center and is an indoor space that can hold up to 240 people. Also in Wildflower Hall are 3 meeting rooms that can be reserved as well. Lodging is offered a short walk away at the 2-story dorms that hold anywhere from 16 guests at the Llano dorm or 48 guests at the other dorms. The Amphitheater is an outdoor theater with electricity and water that can hold up to 120 people and can be found past the Mark Rose Science Center along Riverside Trail. Directly across from the amphitheater is the Bird Blind, an area to observe birds in their natural habitat without disturbing them. There are 21 different trails offered here that total 17.6 miles altogether, ranging from easy to very difficult. While this video does not cover all of them, a few will be highlighted to give you an overview of what is available. At the time of this video, electric bikes were available to rent for $65 for 6 hours. The Riverside Trailhead is located just past Wildflower Hall and is considered easy. This multi-use trail will take you all the way to where you can get views of the Colorado River. The Woodland Trailhead is also located just past Wildflower Hall and is considered an easy trail that is hiking only. No UTVs, horses, or bikes allowed. Going down Riverside Trail, you will come across Valley View Trail. This 0.3-mile detour will offer you scenic views of the valley. At the Colorado River and from Riverside Trail, you can access Cypress Trail. This is a 0.6-mile trail that goes along the river and further down connects to another point of Pine Ridge Trail. Pine Ridge is one of the longer trails at 2.7 miles and is considered very difficult. Bluff Trail Loop is 0.9 miles and listed as being moderately difficult. However, there were some parts that I would consider steep and more difficult. The trail did, however, offer scenic views. Ridge Trail is 0.5 miles long and also considered easy. The trailhead for Bobcat Ridge can be found in the overflow parking area. This trail is 1.9 miles long and also part of the UTV Tour route. As you can see from the trail, UTVs also use some parts of the trails at McKinney Roughs, as UTV tours are offered at certain times of the year. Whitetail is a 0.8-mile trail that is considered easy and will take you to Zip Lost Pines Welcome Center, where ziplining is offered. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep trekking.